The inverter is grounded from here. And now we're going to test out. This is I believe a 750 and 1500 watt. So we have the inverter on. I'm going to turn it on. So that was good because I had it on the 1500 and then I switched it while it was beeping and it recovered pretty well. So let's see what we have. 713 watts. We can run this for a while and we'll see. Works very good. Let's see if we can get this to just stay like that. We're going to run that. We're going to check the wires. We're going to make sure you can hear it running. Wires are nice and cool. This wire is nice and cool. Nothing getting hot. $750 is not a whole lot for a Renogy. Renogy is rated at 91% efficiency. We're still running. We'll run that for a minute or two. Nothing's getting warm. The battery monitor is telling you it's at 97% with the two 100 watters. We're doing 63 amps. We got 195 amp hours. We'll charge that back up. Make sure nothing's getting warm. This is a 150 amp breaker, and there's another one in the bottom. I don't know if you could see through there. You could see there's the breaker. So you got plenty of room. Nothing's getting warm. That's a good thing. Shouldn't with a 2 gauge wire, considering they called for 4. No fans. Now let's just crank it up to 1500 and then I'm going to automatically put it to 750. Now it's on 750. Let's see the recovery. Recovery was perfect. So that's it for this.